for a record. So we tried everything, right?
I tried
Everything. We tried everything. We tried to unlock the door, we tried camera, we tried long reach, we tried leashy tool, we tried disconnected battery. And what we have to do?
bust the window.
Bust the window, man. Bust the window. Okay, we're gonna do that. Shit, okay. Okay, the man said bust the window. Okay, here we go. Shit, this one, right?
Yeah, the driver's window.
Okay.
The driver's.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, shit, it's a strong window. Wow.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah, maybe you have this.
Oh, a spark plug.
Yeah, maybe you have lying around.
No, I don't.
No?
I don't have one.
So now we'll try a different way. We're gonna actually try the spark plug. I will try to break the car window with spark plug. Wish me luck. Go up. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I got the plug. The hammer doesn't break, the plug will break it.
Okay, why does the plug break?
It's a good question, it's science.
Is
Okay,
it?
yeah, look, science. Look.
Right. Okay. Whoa!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it.
That thing shattered.
Yeah,
That little bit is.
yeah. That's done. You wanna finish it?
No, go ahead and finish. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Okay, I knock out the rest with the golf club. Wow.
Oh, it's crazy.
Wow. This. Well, I just learned something new today.
Yeah, me too. Let's try to.
Beautiful.
Shit.
There you go. There, just let it all fall, and I go to the car wash and vacuum it out. I'll get a head
let me-
wonderful.
Let me. It's crazy. Okay. Yeah, it's like locked. Okay, let me get inside.
No, I get it. Don't worry about it.
You will
I got
get it?
from here.
Yeah?
I'm gonna have to get inside. I'm gonna have to go get the other key and turn the car on.
You're gonna manual?
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah, okay.
And then it'll all.
Shit. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Damn.
Oh, God, look at that.
Shit.
Look at that.
Oh, you got your phone. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Look at that. All right.